Hi all. Okay, in this video, I'm going to tell how to create a new version and how to check out all the existed rule sets. Okay, as I told you earlier, to create a new rule set, we need to click on definition. First, we need to log the existed rule version. Okay, so if I'm trying to log the second version, it will not allow because the already some rule sets are already opened. Approval required to check out 21. All rule sets 66. 66 rule sets are available in my in version 2. In that 21 rules are already opened, not rule sets rules. So if I try to lock it, the version cannot be locked because it has checked out records. Okay. So how to find the checked out rules? You can see beside the search box, one tick mark is there. Check out records. Click on that. These are all the things which are open now. Okay. By clicking on one by one, we can check out. Okay. By clicking on one by one, we can check in. Okay. But it will take time, right? Because how many? So many. So instead of checking one by one, what we will do, we'll click on bulk actions. It will open the page now. Hmm? లేదు. Prefix I'll give something. Okay. Just for commenting purpose. Insert. Select all. Insert. Check in. Start it. You can select check in, not discard or open something. If open means all rule set will open. Discard means the changes what you made on that now without saving will cancel. So just check in it. Start it. So what will happen? One by one rule check. One by one rule will be checked in automatically. See, one is error, so it's fine, we can discard it. This is the advantage of bulk action. Maybe I have opened this, that's why it's got checks. Okay, doesn't, I deleted that rule set, that's why it's fine. Okay, so just refresh. I'll discard it. That's it. Okay, now refresh. Unchecked out rule. Okay, I'll open. This is how we need to check in all the rule sets by using bulk action. Okay. No checked out records. It's fine. So now we can create new version. Okay. Okay, this rule set is opened by another ID. So I log in with that ID to check out it. What is the ID? Here it is devimpl2. Done. Okay. Now we can refresh it. It will be gone. We can lock it now. Okay, by refreshing it. Okay, now all the rules got checked in. No checkout rules are available. So we can lock it. Now second version also logged. I'll create new version. Okay, create, save it. Now implementation done. Organization, I'll lock it. I'll create new version. Create, save it. Then framework we need to lock. Log date, create, save it. All are version 3 now. This is how we need to use bulk action to check out the rules. Okay. Okay.